Ooh, speaking of
Oh my God.
baking, the smell.
You guys are
just smell that.
deliciousness. We're back, friends. We are back.
Y'all done had some mojitos.
They
had all that good stuff.
We just got to
Mojito.
sign
They
up
ain't
for a
send me no
class.
mojitos.
Blues Brothers.
We're going to.
So, Chef Al, what else you working on over here?
Man, right now we was up here talking about how healthy these dishes are and stuff like that,
Yeah.
and meal plans.
Oh, the prawns.
Look, you see me pointing.
That's
That's
it.
on the prawns.
what I've been waiting to dip my claws
She been on
into.
shrimp. She
You
been
don't
on
got to
them
tell me
shrimp.
twice, Nakia.
Don't threaten you with a good time. Grab my plate
You know how
over here.
the viewers know how I get down. I really be in here eating for real. And again, these are not shrimp; these are prawns.
Right.
Okay, we got to make sure we give them the respect that they are due.
Chef, now when it comes to meal prepping, sort of talk about the strategy for this, because I find myself maybe after like the second day, you're kind of tired of what you've been eating, or really the third day. So do you kind of pick like 2 meats and 3 sides, or how do you go about some variation?
Just keep it, just got rotation. Keep it in rotation. Also, just like play around with different recipes and stuff like that, things that work for you and your diet and like what you're like gearing for.
Yeah.
Like I recommend like the avocado, the cilantro in your dishes and stuff like that. You want to have things that could actually like boost your immune system up as well. So you want to have all that. So you want to eat healthy, but also your immune, like vitamin D, D3. You want to have that, and also broccoli,
nice
carrots, just all the veggies and stuff like that. You want to have that all in your meal plan.
Yeah.
But keep it simple. Don't overdo it. Change it up when you need to. Most people do like chicken and salmon or something like that.
Okay.
Go with a different fish. Go with like branzino. Go with something that's wild caught.
Yeah, and ladies, unless you're ready to do the bankhead bounce and start dancing, this shrimp is amazing.
Thank you.
It is seasoned to perfection.
Yes.
I mean, I can taste a little bit of Old Bay on that.
Listen, you gotta put a little bay on there. You know you gotta put a little bay on
We in
there.
Maryland, so the bay gotta be on there.
You gotta put the Maryland in there. You gotta keep it there.
But what I've learned with shrimp, it's the less the better, right?
Yes.
Okay.
A little bit of butter. That's about it.
And you do meal prep services, right?
Yes.
Because I can't cook
I
this
do.
all the time.
Yeah.
Is that time saving to just call you?
It's called me. Now I'm gonna sit here and deliver. I'm the mailman.
Wow,
So
okay, 'cause
basically, like
I need that.
I deal with a lot of people. Like on the meal plans, I get people up with diabetes, low cholesterol, and everything like that. Just basically like anything you're going through, get you off that medication.
Yeah.
And this is the medication right here. This is where it's at. So I deal with local farmers. Support your local farmers. That's good. Like the steak came from a local farm. All these things. Like the farmers market.
Yeah.
Go there and stuff. Get all your fresh veggies and everything. Shop there on the weekend and stuff.
Yeah.
Go in there and splurge.
Yeah. So let me ask you this: like, if we were to create like this meal at home, how long do you think that it would last us? If something, especially of this size. Yeah.
Well, you want to break it down. You want to do like 3 to 5 meals. You want to do like basically like fish, seafood is going to be like 2 days. So you want to sit here and get that, knock that out first.
Okay.
And then if you're doing chicken and stuff, so you got a few days with chicken.
Okay.
But you should just portion and just basically like eat much as you can.
Okay.
But you want to build your metabolism up. You want to build that up.
Yeah. So you said, how long should we wait for seafood? Because I got some shrimp in my fridge that's been in there for about a week, so I shouldn't eat it.
You might want to toss that. You might want to toss that.
Oh, darn.
If you didn't freeze
Hold
it.
on to the groceries.
If I don't show up for work next week, y'all, just
and
come
see,
a little
look.
wellness check.
And see, I'm straight off a leg day. I done did leg day yesterday on my Monday, so I'm hurting.
was our
What was it?
day.
I don't know what day it is now. I'm gonna feel like listen, leg day got me knocked out. But see, like actually off a leg day, these type of meals and stuff, it helps.
Replenish it, restore you. Yeah,
it restores. So like,
Rebuilds the muscles that were broken down while you were working out.
yes, like the chickpeas.
Did you marinate the chicken? It's something I'm trying to get that. There is something in it. What is that? The ingredient. Y'all know how I did. I can't get it this time.
Just a little bit, huh?
Just a little bit.
That chicken is good.
But I
It is
want
so
to
moist.
talk about them chickpeas though. The chickpeas got.
See how he
it got
skipped right over.
Y'all let my sister better answer her question.
Yeah, you're asking too much now. I can't talk.
Very good, Chef.
Thank you
Very
so
good.
much. The chickpeas have protein and fiber.
Yes.
It breaks everything down in your body for you and stuff like that. So that's the power meal right there. And add an avocado to it. And the cilantro.
Yeah.
And the peppers and onions. Definitely got to have peppers and onions. Some people don't eat onions.
Yeah.
But onions are really